The center console contains piano keys for the directly accessible controls. The first key switches the stop and start on or off. This is used to put the engine on standby and restart it automatically whenever there's an occasional stop. The second key operates the ESC dynamic driving and understeer traction controls. In certain weather conditions, especially in snow or on a circuit, it may be necessary to switch these off. The third key turns the hazard warning lights on. Finally, the fourth key ensures the centralized combination of the doors. With the engine running and while driving, hold this key down for 5 seconds to confirm automatic door locking. An audible signal confirms that the function has been activated. Should the hands-free car malfunction, with the engine switched off and the door open, hold this key down for 5 seconds to ensure that the doors are correctly locked when you leave the vehicle.